Welcome back to The Auto Expert, where we dive into the hottest and most exciting vehicles hitting the market. Today, we've got a real treat for all you performance enthusiasts out there, the all-new 2025 Dodge Viper ACR. The Viper has always been an icon of raw American power, but this time, Dodge has really outdone themselves, bringing back the Viper with a vengeance. So, let's get into everything you need to know about this beast. The Dodge Viper is a name that evokes memories of raw, unfiltered power and aggressive styling. After a few years of absence, the Viper is back, and it's better than ever. The 2025 Viper ACR, or American Club Racer, is not just a return, it's a full-fledged assault on the senses and a statement that Dodge is still king when it comes to American muscle. Under the hood, the 2025 Viper ACR packs a monstrous 8.4-liter V10 engine. This beast churns out a mind-blowing 765 horsepower and 715 lb-ft of torque. That's right, Dodge has pushed the limits of this naturally aspirated V10, squeezing every ounce of power possible. With this engine, the Viper ACR can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just under 3 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars on the planet. But it's not just about straight-line speed. This car is built for the track. Dodge has made sure the 2025 Viper ACR is as track-focused as possible. The ACR version comes equipped with a full aero kit that includes a massive rear wing, a front splitter, and dive planes. These aren't just for show. This aero package produces more than 1,500 pounds of downforce at speed, ensuring the car sticks to the tarmac like glue, allowing you to take corners at blistering speeds. The suspension is fully adjustable, with settings for different track conditions, so you can dial in the perfect setup whether you're at Laguna Seca or your local circuit. The brakes are equally impressive, with Brembo carbon ceramic units that offer tremendous stopping power. These are absolutely necessary when you're dealing with the kind of performance the Viper ACR is capable of. And let's not forget the tires. Dodge has partnered with Michelin to develop a set of Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires specifically for this car, offering unmatched grip and durability on the track. Inside, the Viper ACR is as focused as ever. Dodge has stripped out unnecessary weight, leaving a bare-bones, driver-focused cockpit. You get lightweight racing seats with 6-point harnesses, minimal sound deadening, and a simple, purposeful layout that puts everything within easy reach. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital display, giving you all the critical information you need at a glance. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Viper ACR is the level of customization available. Dodge understands that Viper owners are enthusiasts, so they've offered an array of options to make your Viper truly unique. You can choose from a variety of paint schemes, stripes, and even custom interior trims. Plus, there's an extensive list of performance options, from different suspension setups to exhaust systems and more. Now, let's talk about availability and pricing. Dodge is planning to release the 2025 Viper ACR in limited numbers, making it a true collector's item. Production will begin in late 2024, with deliveries expected to start in early 2025. As for the price, it's expected to start around $150,000, but with all the customization options and performance upgrades available, it's easy to push that well into the $200,000 range. Thanks for watching The Auto Expert. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Dodge Viper ACR, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Viper ACR and whether it's the ultimate American supercar. Catch you in the next video.